Hi everyone. Welcome back to Healthful Habits. If you're looking to kickstart your day with delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes that can help you shed some pounds, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some amazing morning meal ideas that are not only easy to make, but will also keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Importance of breakfast. Before we jump into the recipes, let's quickly talk about why breakfast is so important, especially when it comes to weight loss. Eating a healthy breakfast can help. 1. Boost metabolism. It jumpstarts your metabolism, helping you burn calories throughout the day. 2. Control hunger. A balanced meal in the morning can prevent those pesky cravings later on. 3. Enhances mood and energy. It provides the fuel your body needs after a night of fasting, improving your mood and energy levels. So, let's make sure we set ourselves up for success right from the start of the day. Breakfast recipe number 1, overnight oats. Our first recipe is a classic, overnight oats. This dish is not only filling but also customizable. Here's what you need. 1.5 cup rolled oats. 2. 1 cup of almond milk, or any milk of your choice. 3. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 4. 1/2 banana, sliced. 5. A handful of berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Instructions. 1. In a mason jar or a bowl, combine the oats, almond milk, and chia seeds. 2. Stir well and top with sliced banana and berries. 3. Cover and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, you'll have a creamy, delicious breakfast waiting for you. This meal is rich in fiber and antioxidants, making it a perfect weight loss-friendly option. Breakfast recipe number 2, Veggie Omelette. Next up, we have a delicious veggie omelette. It's packed with protein and veggies, which are great for weight loss. Here's what you'll need. 1. 2 eggs or egg whites for a lighter option. 2. 1/4 cup bell peppers, diced. 3. 1/4 cup spinach. 4. 1/4 cup onions, diced. 2. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and season them with salt and pepper. 2. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add the onions and bell peppers. 2. Sauté for a few minutes. 3. Add the spinach and pour in the whisked eggs. 4. Cook until the eggs are set, then fold the omelette in half. Not only is this breakfast quick to prepare, but it's also low in calories and high in nutrients, keeping you satisfied until lunch. Breakfast recipe number 3, Smoothie Bowl. Our third recipe is a smoothie bowl, which is perfect for those hot mornings. Here's what you'll need. 1. 1 banana. 2. 1/2 cup spinach. 3. 1/2 cup frozen berries. 4. 1/2 cup almond milk. 5. Toppings, granola, nuts, and seeds. Instructions. 1. In a blender, combine the banana, spinach, frozen berries, and almond milk. 1. Blend until smooth. 2. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top it off with your favorite toppings. This smoothie bowl is not only refreshing, but also provides you with a good mix of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, all essential for weight loss. Breakfast recipe number 4, Greek Yogurt Parfait. Now, let's make a Greek Yogurt Parfait. This is a great option if you're in a rush. Here's what you need. 1. 1 cup of Greek yogurt. 2. 1/2 cup mixed berries. 3. 1/4 cup granola or nuts. 4. Drizzle of honey, optional. Instructions. 1. In a glass or bowl, layer the Greek yogurt, berries, and granola. 2. Repeat the layers until all the ingredients are used. 3. Drizzle with honey if desired. This parfait is high in protein and probiotics, which are fantastic for digestion and weight management. Start your journey to a healthier, more energetic you today. Join a community of individuals who have transformed their lives through effective, personalized dietary plans. Click below to discover how easy it is to achieve your weight loss goals and enjoy the benefits of a vibrant lifestyle. Those are our top 4 breakfast recipes for weight loss. They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to help you start your day right. If you enjoyed this video and found these recipes helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Healthful Habits for more healthy tips, and comment below with your favorite breakfast recipe or any suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.